In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn on Bluetooth in both Rockerz headphone, and also I'll be showing you how you can connect it to your PC. So let's get started. So first thing is you have to spot the side which has the charging point, okay? And to the top of the charging point, you'll be having three buttons. The first button is going to be the volume up, second button is going to be the play, and third button is going to be the minus or the volume down button. And we are going to long press the play button. So just press it for like 5 seconds. So after pressing for 5 seconds, you'll be getting this blue and red color light, which means that your Rockerz headphone has now turned on. And now in case if you want to connect to a PC, you just need to go to search and type for Bluetooth, or if you're having any mobile devices, you need to just go to settings and click on Bluetooth, okay? So I'll just click Bluetooth and other device settings. And here just turn on Bluetooth and click on add Bluetooth or other device. And click Bluetooth again. And now we will be having the Rockerz 450 audio. This is our name. Select it. And it is connected now. Just click on done. And if you play any music now, you'll be able to hear from the headphone. So that's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.